What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you today about the two beautiful cars behind me. On the left, we have a adventure package, RAV4 2019, and on the right, we have a 2020 TRD off-road. Both these vehicles have our weather package, adventure grade weather package, or TRD off-road weather package, which includes heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, as well as rain sensing wipers and a de-icer grid on the front windshield. But otherwise, they're they're the basic model. So we're really just going over standard equipment. Besides those optional features these vehicles both have. The RAV4 Adventure, you got these 19-inch alloy wheels with more of a street tire. So first off, that's the big difference. 18-inch all black alloy wheels on the TRD with a Falcon Wild Peak, a little more rugged tire, plus 18-inch, so it's going to give you a little more sidewall. Up front, they both have that same front end, giving you a little more ground clearance and more of an aggressive look as compared to our LE, XLE, and limited models. So you can kind of see the difference there. Also, I noticed this today for the first time, kind of the blacked out look on these fog lights, but headlights, fog lights, pretty much the same, just blacked out on the TRD package. Another thing I noticed too, you don't get the moonroof as standard equipment. It's part of a package option or a standalone option on the 19 Adventure. On the 19 TRD off-road, it is not listed as a separate line item, so it is part of your standard equipment. So that is definitely nice. You're gonna get the black wheel arches like a TRD off-road Tacoma as well on both the Adventure and TRD package. Exterior wise, we get the TRD off-road badging along with the black wheels, black mirror caps, but the Adventure has that as well. Adventure has the same roof rack, same over fenders, 1-inch larger wheel, black badging, Adventure. Let's take a look inside the two vehicles. So this Adventure grade 2019, you've got the unique pattern in the seats. This does have the weather package, so it's perforated leather with ventilated front seats as well as heated. Softex in the rear as well, with your two fast charge ports in the back. We do have a power rear liftgate as standard equipment on this Adventure model. All of our vehicles we order here in the Northwest come with these all-weather floor mats. You do have a built-in inverter in the back. Seats do, of course, fold flat. Advanced keyless entry with push-button start. We do get a power driver's seat. You got that heated front steering wheel as part of the weather package, as well as your front windshield de-icer grid. Here's your auto high beams as part of your Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 on this vehicle. Lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control. Of course, it has Bluetooth for your cell phone. We've got the orange trim in this one as part of the Adventure. So we will take a look here in a second at the off-road package. You can see the difference there. So remember this orange stitching. Moving on to the TRD 2020. So it has unique floor mats. We've replaced the red or the orange stitching with red, as well as the accents here. Ooh, I like that rear floor mat. Same rear charge ports. Same power lift gate. Again with the all-weather mats. Seats do fold flat, still has the inverter. Same advanced keyless entry. push button start, power driver seat. Same options here. This is a 2020, so additionally it is going to do the Apple CarPlay as in addition to Android Auto. The 19 does Apple CarPlay. The 20 also does Android Auto. So $37,630 on the 2020. Versus $36,414 on the 2019. Remember that the Adventure does not have a moonroof. The TRD 2020 does, so you are getting a little more content for that extra $1,200. There's great deals on these 19s though remaining. If you're interested in the Adventure over the TRD off-road, they're pretty similar vehicles. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions, or if you're in the market for a new vehicle and you're in the Pacific Northwest, I'd love to earn your business. If you enjoyed the vehicle, the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Have a great day.